This is Patrick's first time in the car, and we have taken quite the bumpy parking lot to get out of, but he shouldn't scrape. All right, so now we've got amazing tarmac out of it.
Whoa, it's a lot faster than the 428. Whoa, that's Aston fast. Wow! What noises this thing makes! Oh, that was a lot faster than I thought it was. Holy sh!
It'll go.
That's fast! Like you barely put your foot down and you're doing the speed limit.
Yeah. Yeah, I mean, like you can start 20 over or 20 under and be 20 over very fast. That exhaust, it just makes you giggle like a kid. Oh, that's a big one.
Wow, the rear visibility is insane, isn't it?
It's back up forever.
Wow. Oh my God, dude, the sounds and the noise and the speed. It's so much faster than I thought it would be.
Yeah. I think it gives you the experience of the car so much more in the convertible.
Yeah, I mean, you can go slower speeds and enjoy it because you can hear it.
Yep.
Wow. Seriously, wow. This is amazing.
I think Patrick may be buying himself an M4.
5.
Can't get convertible though, sadly.
6. I knew I would like it. I didn't know I'd love it this much.
Yeah, I mean, that's the same thing like with me. Like, that's how I was yesterday. I thought I would like it. I didn't think I would love it. And I don't just love it. I think I'm in love with it. Like, I'm working up to proposing because, like, it's that good. It truly is an incredible experience. And I'm glad Patrick agrees.
I love it. Like, I truly love it.
I feel like he's going to be coming. I need to go record a short with the M4.
It's out. I may as well drive it. You know, I do that. If I record like a 10-second short, I'm like, well, I mean, it's out of the garage. I should drive it. You know. What's crazy is that was up to the speed limit. Like, obviously that didn't feel fast, but it's just loud, so it seems fast.
It helps you not get in trouble.
But like this is it's just instantaneous every time.
That was good.
Oh my God, this is the first time I've like driven a BMW where I'm like, this is better than almost anything else I've ever driven. That Porsche Boxster that I drove years ago looks like a flaming piece of compared to this. Like the exhaust, the noise, theater, everything about this car is just, it's wonderful.
This GoPro just died.
That means this one's about to. So.
Yep. So,
thank you all for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, leave a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel for more content on this wonderful M4. And yeah, I will see you next time.